Hello students, now exercise 4.8 will start. Subtract the following. First is given 43 rupees 75 paise minus 22 rupees 50 paise. Starting from ones column, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer? 21 rupees 25 paise. Now next is 85 rupees 40 paise minus 53 rupees 20 paise. So starting from ones, 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2 again, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So what is the answer? 32 rupees 20 paise. I hope you can try the remaining two sums. Now we'll start word problems. In that, the first is given, Ricky bought apples for rupees 60. He also bought oranges for rupees 25. How much money did he pay to the fruit seller? So, Ricky bought two fruits here, that is apple and oranges. Or apples for rupees 60 and oranges for rupees 25. So, total how many rupees that he will pay to the fruit seller? That is the question. So, what we will do? So first we'll write Ricky bought apples for rupees 60 and Ricky bought oranges for rupees 25. So as we want to find how many rupees he will pay, so we'll perform here addition. So plus sign is there. So starting from ones, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So answer is what? 85. So total money paid is what? 85 rupees. Next, Tina went to a shop with rupees 80 in her purse. She brought chocolates for rupees 55. How much money did she bring back? So Tina went to the shop with 80 rupees in her purse. Means she have 80 rupees and she brought chocolates for rupees 55. So how much money she will left? How much money is there to her now? That we have to find. So for that we'll write here money carried by Tina. How much rupees she have? 80 rupees. So 80 and price of the chocolate. So what is the price of chocolate here? 55. So 55. Now as we have to find how much money she have now or she bring back. So for that we'll perform here subtraction. So 80 minus 55. Starting from ones, 0 minus 5, as 0 is smaller than 5, so we'll take 1 borrow from it next. So 8 is there, so if we take 110, so how many will remain? 7, and 110 plus 0 is 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So now she have how much money? 25 rupees. So money brought back is 25 rupees. So with that, our exercise 4.9 is there. Solve the following word problems. First, Shilpa's elder brother gave her 51 rupees 50 paise. Her younger brother gave her 21 rupees 50 paise. How much money did she get from both her brothers? So Shilpa's two brothers are there, and one brother gave her 51 rupees 50 paise and next one, other one gave her that is 21 rupees 50 paise. So total how much rupees she have now, that we have to find. So for that, two columns we need, as rupees and paise are there. So two columns are already there, we have to just put the values. So first is what? 51 rupees 50 paise. So 51 in rupees and 50 in paise column. And a younger brother give her how much rupees? 21 rupees 50 paise. And as we have to find how much money she have now, so what we will do? We will perform here addition. Now starting from ones column of paise, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0 and 1 carry over to its next. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 carry over is 3, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So what is the answer here? 73 rupees 0 paise. Now next, Azma wanted to buy a toy. Her father gave her one rupees 20 note and one 50 rupee note. What is the total amount money that her father gave? So Azma wanted to buy a toy. So her father gave her some notes. A note of 20, one 20 rupee note and one 50 rupee note. So how much money her father gave to her, that we have to find. So as total amount, so you have to remember one point, that is, if total amount word is there, so always you have to perform the addition. So 20 rupee note is there, so in rupee column first we'll write 20 rupee and next is 50 rupee. So as we have to find total, so we'll perform here addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 5 is 7. So answer is what? 70 rupees. Now she have 70 rupees. Third, Naveen went to a market to buy some vegetables. He bought vegetables for rupees 65 and gave 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return to Naveen? So Naveen went to the market to buy some vegetables and he bought vegetables for rupees what? 65 and he gave 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much money the shopkeeper will return to the Naveen, that we have to find. So what we will do, we'll perform here subtraction, and for subtraction we'll write here 80 rupees minus 65. Shopkeeper he gives 80 rupees to the shopkeeper, and what is the bill? That is 65 rupees. So we'll perform here minus. So starting from ones column, 0 minus 5 is, as 0 is smaller than 5, subtraction is not possible. So we'll take 1 borrow from it next. Next is 8 is there. If we take 1, how much will remain? 7, and 110 plus 0 is become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So what is the answer here? 15 rupees. So 15 rupees shopkeeper will return to Naveen. Now D. Naina had 50 rupees 50 paise with her. She bought an ice cream cone for rupees 30 rupees 75 paise. How much money was left with her? So Naina had how much rupees? 50 rupees 50 paise, and she bought an ice cream for rupees 30 rupees and 75 paise. So how much money she have now, or how much money was left? That is the question. So what we will do, we'll perform first we'll write the numbers. That is 50 rupees 50 paise she have, and she spent 30 rupees 75 paise to buy a ice cream. So 30 rupees 75 paise. So how much rupees she will left, that we have to find. So if the words like left, remaining is there, so always perform the subtraction. So this is the keywords. If total words is there, so always perform addition, and left, remaining words are there, perform subtraction. Now first 50 paise minus 75 paise. As 50 paise is smaller than 75 paise, so what we will do, we'll borrow 1 from rupees. So 50 rupees is there. If we take 1 from 50 rupees, how many will remain here? 49 rupees. And 1 rupee means how many paise? 100 paise. So 100 paise plus 50 is become 150. Right? Now 150 is bigger than 75. Yes. So now perform the subtraction. So count after 75 up to 150. So one finger you will consider as a 10. So after 75, so we'll separate 5 for first time. So we'll count after 80 to 90. So 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. 150 plus remaining 5. So how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, that is 70. and remaining 5, that is 75. So what is the answer here? 75 paise. And 9 minus 0 is 9 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is what? 19 rupees 75 paise. So how much money left with her? 19 rupees 75 paise. Now next is what? Swati needed 45 rupees to buy a notebook. She had 15 rupees with her. How much more money does she need? So Swati need to buy a notebook for rupees 45, but she have how much money? 15 rupees. So how much money she need more? So for that we'll perform subtraction here. So 45 rupees minus 15 rupees. So we'll get how much money she will needed. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So how much money, more money she will need? 30 rupees to buy the notebook, right?